And here we can see all the different elements in this section with a blue outline. And to edit any of the text inside of this section, we can simply click on this element, and then we can see the menu here at the top. So let's click on Edit Text, and then we can just type in the text that we want to use. So I'm just going to add the name of the restaurant. And then on the right side, we can see a menu to change the design of this text. So here we can change the heading style, the font style. We can also change the font size by dragging this slider to the right or to the left. We can make this italic or make this underlined, whatever we need. And when we're done, we can simply click anywhere on the page to leave the text settings. And if you want to change the position of this text element, we can simply click, hold, and then drag it to any other position on the page. However, make sure that your text is always aligned nicely to the other elements. And you can use the grid lines to do that. So if I were to place that back in its original position on top of this graphic right here, I would use these grid lines to make sure it's aligned perfectly. So changing any text element on your page works pretty much the same. You can just click on the text element and then click Edit Text to make your changes. Now, because this is a template, some text paragraphs will just be dummy text. So you're going to have to come in here and add your own text. Now, if you find it hard to come up with your own content, what I can recommend is to use this AI feature. You can just click on this AI tools icon, and then here we can click on Generate New Text. Now here we can create like an about section for this Italian restaurant. So I would add something like, please create a short paragraph talking about how we prepare our dishes at our Italian restaurant, Bella Cucina. So we can just click on the icon here, and then it will start creating a text for us. And if you like the text, you can just click on Use Text, and then it will automatically replace the dummy text with the new one that we have just created. Now, another very important type of element that we want to use across our website are buttons that people can click on, like this one right here. Buttons basically help us to guide somebody to another place of the website where we want them to go. And to edit these buttons, we can just click on them, and then we can change the text here. And we can also change where this button links to. So currently it links to another page of our website, which is the Our Story page. So we could either change the page that we want people to go, or we can also send them to a different website. We can send them to a different section on the homepage, and we have some more options down here. And to replace the images on your website, it works exactly the same way. You just click on the image element, then click on Change Image. And then here you can either drag in your own image file, or you can also use the media from Wix by clicking right here and then type in what kind of image you're looking for. So in my case, I'm looking for an Italian chef. So I'm going to type that into the search bar, and then I get all kinds of images I can basically use for free. And I'm going to choose this one right here. So I'm going to click Choose Image, and now the image has been replaced. Now, if you want to get rid of any element on your website, you simply hover over the element, right click, and then you just click on Delete. And it works the same way with an entire section. You just right click on the section and then click on Delete.